Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We're going to do another video. These are fresh off the boat off of eBay. This one says intermittent no video. Right now it has video. I got it to do it once. After I let it sit for a while. There you go. That's what they mean by intermittent no video. We have to check the network resistors on top of the board between the GPU and the CPU. One of them's going open when it gets hot. As you let it sit for a while, she goes back to video. Yes, sir. So we're going to fix this one today because I have my donor boards and my stuff already out, and it needs a laser too, so I'm going to go grab a laser and I'm going to get this thing apart, and yeah, we're going to do some checking. So hopefully we can fix the issue, because I already fixed the issue on the G19 board. It was one of the, or it was RB109 on the top, and I want to get you some shots of me checking that stuff and showing you, and I'll probably use the tablet, for heaven forbid, just so you guys can see. But like I said, let me get this other camera set up and we'll be right back. Back, folks. Just wanted to give you the model and the serial number. It's a 30001R. It is a U2968850. It was made in Japan. PT code is a PT229688 508. I guess I'll get this all set up. Hopefully this is a version 4. Hopefully. Otherwise, we're going to end this video right now because I'm not putting a board in this. So, I do have a board that I fixed, that G19 that could go in here, but that's going to turn into a board swap, and that's just ridiculous. Let me get this set up and I'll be right back. Sorry, we're back for a minute. I just wanted to show you that's not been opened, I guess. So the funny part is the rubber foot fell off. But anyways, like I said, I'll get this set up with the tablet and I'll be right back. Alright folks, we're back. I tried to record it with my tablet, but we're going to do it up here again. This is a G15 board. It's a 1683434-11. Says no video issue. You see these network resistors? There's 1, 2, on focus, 3. I tried to show people that, you know, with 2 hands, you're going to want a multimeter for this at 2, and put it on 200 ohms. And you're going to test them to each of these individually. I'm going to tell you, this one's RB109. These usually go bad. So, like I said, I lost the footage. Kind of sucks. So I'm going to try to see if I can get it with one hand here. See if I can set this up so you guys can see what I'm doing. My hand out of the way. Do I have a box? That's why I don't trust your recording devices, folks. You want to test your resistor, your network resistors. This one says 45. 45. 45. 45. She must have cooled down because this one's bad. These are like all over the place. Hence the reason there's no video. And I can show you that. I wanted to heat it up. Yeah, you need to test these one by one. Make sure you got a good multimeter, put it on 200 ohms. And I already know which one's bad. It's RB109. Because this one, when it was hot, was all over the freaking place. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it on camera for you so you guys can see it. And then I'll reassemble and show you. We will have video when I'm done. Because like I said, it's kind of irritating. Comes to that. So you guys get to see me solder today. We're going to take them off a donor board. These are already tested. They're good. As you can tell, I took one off already because that G19 needed one. So, flux is your friend when you're doing this stuff. And the tweezers. So these are all the same resistors on the board. Uh-oh, I lost it. There we go. That's why I hate small components, guys. Well, that one went to Narnia. Hopefully you guys can see. That one went to Narnia. I'm gonna have to get another one. Oh, there goes the phone. Sorry about that. What happens when you bump stuff. Said I'm not the greatest camera person in the world. said the other one went to Narnia. This donor board out of the way. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick on these, which is pretty neat as far as I'm concerned. You don't have to have anything hooked up. You don't got to have, when you're doing this stuff, you don't have to have the disk drive hooked up or anything like that. All you need is a power supply. Power supply at a bottom part of the case. Of course, you're going to have a power supply on it, so you don't want to sit there and monkey around too much. Great soldering job, man. There's a Nikon power supply. Yeah, we're gonna put the barrier on that. That's why they have a barrier on these guys. See how this metal's touching metal there? Yeah, we don't want that. I'm not going to run this for very long. I'm just going to show you now that it has video. And that's how you troubleshoot videos. No video issues on these newer boards. The older boards I haven't figured out yet. I'm assuming there's a type of network resistor on the top or something of that nature. I'm going to set this. Of course, you're going to need your power switch. So, and this one's on this side. That'll do me good for now. So just testing to show you that we have video here. Like I said, I don't fix 30,000 ones because of this, because of the Mechacon issues on them. I'm not going to sit here and fight with it and fight with it and fight with it. Should have power. Let me turn on the TV. And we'll do this together to show you that that was the issue to begin with. We're going to end the video there because, like I said, maybe not. Oh. Either way, that's the troubleshooting for it. Wow. That's how you do it. That's how you troubleshoot it, though. But I might have messed up. I might have not have soldered it on the right way. Let's check. Let's check to make sure that I did it right. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. But yeah, no. I might not have a good connection on that resistor up there. Like I said, troubleshoot, troubleshoot, troubleshoot. Can't say it enough. Sorry about that, folks. Hit the button wrong again. Troubleshoot, troubleshoot, troubleshoot. $42. $42. $42. $42. $42. Let me see if I can reposition that resistor on there and see if it's not on right. Like I said, I'm not the greatest person in the world to do this stuff. Sorry if I dropped the phone again. Did it again for the third time. Like I said, I'm not very good at this filming stuff. I just did it a fourth time. Now I hit the wrong button again. Now I have a lot of editing to do. Like I said, this is why I don't fix D15 boards, guys. But usually you want to check your network resistors up there. And those should not matter which way you put them on either. But like I said, this is why I don't fix these boards. This is Racer PS2 Electronics Repair signing out. But that's how you troubleshoot if you have an issue between here and here. Ooh, they're getting hot. You want to check your network resistors in the video circuit.